Hello, this is a brief video of using the Nespresso machine. So we have water tank, pod dispenser, where the pods go in and where the drinks come out. So you basically fill the tank with some nice fresh water, very easily. So we just click, and it opens automatically, gets rid of my old one, thanks. Pop another pod in and simply goes back down again. You put your cup underneath. The light blinks to say the water is on. I'm going to press it to say, yep, want my coffee. And I believe what's happening now is that it's heating up. Yeah. And it was the thing. So a few more bits of information about this. Coffee's coming out. Pretty cool, hey? So it does espresso, short coffees, long coffees. There's various different types. There's a lovely presentation box so that you can get the pods in. The pods are recyclable. That smells incredible. It's really easy. I spent a few minutes just cleaning it, and then it was ready to go. I mean, come on, look at that. A better look at this coffee. So there you go, it's done. It looks and smells beautiful. By the way, this little thing can change position up or down depending on where you want it. So that is now done. I'll just show you this little clicky thing again because that's quite handy. So you just press, oh my god, the smell. You just press up or down, so you just, and it does it automatically. Bye little capsule. You can see that actually it needs a clean already. And then it just goes back down again. In fact, I might give this a clean. So thanks.
It's amazing.